everybody, it's your girl Melanie, and in this video I'm going to show you a super quick way to remove these ugly bumps from your updos. All you need is a long comb like this, or you can even just use an eyeliner pencil. You can even try a makeup brush or a pencil or a pen. Basically, you want to have a long, thin object like this. So for this one, I'm going to use this little makeup brush that I have. And all you're going to do is go where you have these lumps and bumps, and you're going to wiggle it into your hair like that and smooth it up. Smooth it up. Just like that. You're just going to do it as many times as you need to until it looks smooth and you're comfortable. You want to go from underneath and move a little bit higher each time you go. Because what that does is it unfolds the hair that's bubbled up underneath there, which is actually making the bumps in the first place. Let's try it with the end of this comb. There we go. That's nice and smooth. Not bad, right? So look at all these bubbles I have in the back of my hair. Watch this. Let's try it with my eyebrow pencil. And that's it. So I hope this little tip was useful, and definitely stay tuned for the next video that has been picked especially for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching.